We're back on your screens with the reading simplified tips. Today we're looking at the short and long vowel sounds. Okay, so now to look at these short and long vowel sounds, we're going to use what we call the vowel hand. So our vowel hand there has got a representation of the short vowel sounds at the tip of the fingers, and then we have the long vowel sounds just at the border of the palm and the fingers. So our short vowel sounds are a, e, I, o, a, and then the long vowel sounds are a, e, I, o, u. And so this is basically our representation. Blue is for short vowel sounds and red is for long vowel sounds. Now, how do we get to identify these same vowel sounds, especially the long vowel sounds, when we just meet them in a word? How do we know this is A? How do we know this is E, I, O, or U? Okay, so we follow the rule. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. What does that mean? Here's our illustration. So we've got two vowels walking together, the vowel A and the vowel E working together, and then the rule tells us that the first one does the talking. So what is this letter saying? It's saying it's letter A. So our digraph sound becomes A, where the name of the first letter becomes our sound, like in the word aid, paid. Okay, so our next vowel or long vowel sound is double E. Double E, two E's working together. The first one does the talking. And what is it saying? E. And so the digraph double E makes the sound E. Like in the word sp, ed, speed. Okay, the next one are the vowels I and E, or the vowels I and E. When they walk together, the first one does the talking. In this case, I does the talking. And so the name of the letter becomes the sound. So IE makes sound I, like in the word I, tie. The next one are the vowels O and A working together. The first one does the talking, making our digraph sound O, maintaining the name of the first letter O, like in the word B, O, T, boat. Our last long vowel sound is U and E. So U, being the first one, does the talking. When they come together, they make the sound U. The name of the first letter becomes the sound of the entire digraph. Okay, like in the word R, E, S, K, U, rescue. Now, here's another rule which says if it doesn't look correct, use the alternative sound or use the alternative. So what does that mean? In some words, the long vowel sounds will retain the actual letter name as an alternative sound, meaning we all know that this is sound A by now. E, I, O, U. And then we are told to say, for instance, we are asked to spell the word paper. So in actual sense, knowing that A is A and I, this would be the way we would actually spell our word paper. But when we look at this word, it doesn't look correct. So what happens? We use an alternative A sound and rewrite our paper to paper. So now that looks correct. So instead of using double E in the word image, doesn't look correct, we use the alternative E to write the word image. Instead of using I in the word piper, doesn't look correct, we use the alternative I as in piper, which looks correct. The same with O. We don't write the word rope like that, we write it as rope using the alternative O sound. And then lastly, U. And we are asked to write the word unite. We won't write the word unite with UE there. We use the alternative where we just get the U, and our unite will look something like that, which is correct. So if it doesn't look correct, use the alternative sound. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow our page for more. Bye bye.